Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so in first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you just click here on accessibility shortcut, just click on it, and here can you manage it if you want to set background sounds in verse or second here, or any of this here can you select manage it here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.